Okay, I thought I would demonstrate how you can SSH into an EC2 instance using Elastic Beanstalk. I first assumed that you already have an Elastic Beanstalk application up and running, and there's 5 steps to getting this done. First, we'll add a rule to our EC2 instance that can accept an SSH. We create a key pair. We run a command on that key pair, and then we add the key pair to Elastic Beanstalk's configuration, and then we connect with the application itself. Okay, and I'll show you how it's done. So basically, I already have it's a sample application running up at Elastic Beanstalk. So first, we want to go to our EC2 instance, match the one that you're trying to get into. This is our demo. We need to go down to security. Click on the security group. And we want to edit the inbound rules. Add a rule. We add the SSH. Just say anywhere. Save rules. Okay. Now, while we're in this, we need to go on the left-hand side to Network and Security, and there we're going to do a key pair and generate a key pair. I'm going to say SSH demo. Create key pair. Save the file. Okay. Now, it should be in my terminal. Let's see. Which one did I just do? SSH demo. Here we go. So we have to run this command on it. This just makes sure that you can't do any editing and stuff like that. That's it. So we're already halfway done. We go back to Elastic Beanstalk. Go to our demo. Be a configuration on the side here. Move it to security. We choose the key pair. We just created this SSH demo. Apply. I ask you to confirm. It takes shouldn't take that long to do it here, so I may pause the video depending on how long it takes. Okay, I did have to pause it. That took a few minutes to do. Alright, so now that we got our Elastic Beanstalk environment up and working again, all we have to do is go back to our EC2 instance. Oops, wrong one. And there's, on the upper right hand side here, there's a thing called connect. It says SSH client. It will give us the command that we want to use to connect. Now, lately I've been having a problem using root. It wants me to do an EC2 user, but we'll try this first. Alright, we gotta switch back to our terminal where we have that PEM file. Didn't copy over. Let me try to copy that again. We'll ask you this if you want a fingerprint, just say yes. And here it is. It wants me to log in as the EC2 user, not root. So we'll try that again. We'll come over here to where root is. Let's say EC2 user. And that's it. You're in. This is good, so say if you want to look at like logs or something like that, you probably need to get down to usually logs are somewhere in var. Yeah, there we go. Log. Yeah, so usually you'll want to comment something like this web set of log out. This will let you know